Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to deactivate your TikTok account. So if you don't want to delete your TikTok account, but you want to deactivate it, I'm going to show you guys how to do that in this video today. So it's pretty simple, but make sure you follow all the steps that I do so you don't mess up, and it'll all go really easily if you do. So first things first, head over to the TikTok app. And once you do, let me head into it real quick. You're going to want to click on your profile option in the bottom right corner of your screen once you load in. And once you're on your profile, you're going to want to click on the three bars in the top right corner of your profile. So it should be right next to the little footprints. And once you click on it, click on Settings and Privacy of the options that show up. Here on Settings and Privacy, you're going to want to go to the Account section. So the Account subsection, there should be an option for Account. And once you find it, just click on Account, and it'll bring you to this page right here. On this page, you're going to want to look for Deactivate or Delete Account. Once you find it, click on that, and it'll bring you to this page right here. On this page, you're going to want to choose if you want to delete your account or deactivate your account. Since you want to deactivate your account, click on Deactivate Account. And once you click on it, it will bring you to the next page for deactivating your account. Once this page loads, it's going to ask if you really want to deactivate the account. So let me do that real quick, and just click on Deactivate. You can read through all this real quick, but it doesn't really matter. You're just going to need to put in your password after you click on Deactivate Account. And once you put in your password, just click on Deactivate Account. So it'll ask you if you really want to deactivate it, just click on Deactivate, and then it will deactivate your account. It will log you into a different account if you have any other accounts logged in on your TikTok, and if you don't, then it'll just log you out of all accounts. Now to reactivate your account, you're just going to want to go to your options and click Add Account. Now here, you're just going to want to click on Log In, and then use your phone number or email. Now here, just put in your email and put in your password for your account. And once you do that, let me do that real quick. Once you do that, just click on Log In, and it will log you back into your account. As you can see, it says reactivate your TikTok account. So your TikTok account was deactivated. But if you click on reactivate your account, then it will reactivate your account after a couple minutes. So that is how you deactivate your account on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.